how to set or select apps that will never run in the background on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen, and on the home screen swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Now we scroll down, and then from here tap on battery, then tap on background usage limits. Next we go down and open up deep sleeping apps. To stop apps from or to set it to never run in the background, you want to tap on the add button and then go down the list and select the apps that you want to stop them from ever running on the background. Next, tap on the add button and it will get added to the list. And that's it. All the apps in this list here will never run in the background. If you ever want to change your mind, you can always go back in here and then tap on the more button, and then tap on remove, and then select the apps that you want to remove. Next, tap on the remove button, and that's it. Once they are removed from this list, it will be able to run in the background again. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.